Hello and welcome to the St Kilda and Bayside Report. I'm Gary Peer.
And I'm Jeremy Rosens.
And in between us, a rose between two thorns, we have Lemore Herskovitz. Welcome to the St Kilda and Bayside Report, Lemore.
Thank you, Gary. Thanks for having me.
It's great to have you on the show for the first time, although you aren't probably being seen by the first time for a lot of people out there, because a lot of people would know you because you have been around for quite a while in the real estate industry, if I'm not mistaken, Lemore. Is that right?
Well, I've been with you almost 6 years now, Gary.
Time flies when you're having fun.
I don't count what happened before.
No. Well, actually, a funny little footnote. We were at school together, actually. So we won't talk about those days because no doubt you'll have opportunity to embarrass me. And Philip usually just fills up the camera with that when we do GPTV. But Lemore, you are here to talk about a little bit what's going on at St Kilda, but also congratulations on your recent Salesperson of the Month award.
Well done, Lemore.
Thank you, Jeremy. Yeah,
great
it was good.
work. What happened for you?
What happened?
What went right?
What went right? Well, first of all, I've got a great assistant now.
Yes.
Joseph. Yeah, Yossi Bendanan.
Yep.
So he's been really good. He's freed me up to meet more with clients,
yes.
and it's just been great.
Yeah, well, Lemore is a person that we always get great feedback from buyers and sellers alike, and we'd like you to stay with us and talk a little bit about what's going on in the market in St Kilda and Bayside. You were with us in Caulfield for a number of years. You've defected down to the other side of Chapel Street, off to St Kilda. Lemore happens to be one of those incredibly dynamic women that juggle her life with 3 kids, a tragic St Kilda supporter.
I thought we were going to keep this clean, Gary.
and has always been a fighter for the mighty Saints, and I'm sure they'll have their turn in our lifetime at some stage. But also, of course, a great real estate professional. Let's talk a bit about what's going on in the market. We've just come off a weekend where we've had 8 auctions.
A great weekend.
And a sold sticker on every one of them. Some of them selling very, very significantly above reserve. I know that you sold one in Springfield Avenue. We might bring that one up on screen. Tell us a little bit about that. I know the price is undisclosed, but tell us what you can.
Oh, look, a really unique property, unlike anything else we've sold, and it was just a great honour to work on it and to be entrusted with that home. And we won't discuss what happened. We did have 3 buyers on it in the end.
Yep.
And
well, we can't discuss the price.
But yeah, no.
It was a good story, wasn't it?
Can we say that it was one of your biggest sales ever?
Yeah, we
without
can.
going into detail of the price?
Yes, it was certainly up there.
It was up there. Okay, one of the other sales that I know that you're very proud of, Jeremy, was a flat that we sold, or an apartment, I should say, in Ackland Street. Tell us about that.
Yep, 3 at 39 Ackland Street, right at the Paris end of Ackland Street. A beautiful, beautiful older style block, ground floor, 2 bedrooms, beautifully decorated, polished timber floors. We had a very competitive auction, 3 bidders going for it. Philip did a fabulous job there, and we ended up selling it just shy of $600,000 at $590,000.
Yeah,
so a great result for the area.
Very good, and I think there's still 1 or 2 apartments left in that offering, that project that you've got in Ackland Street as well, that we shot a St Kilda report at for a little while ago.
We do, 131 Ackland. We've still got a couple of apartments left. They are running out the door very quickly, very sharply priced, and again, Gary, for the investors out there, with interest rates on the way down, a great opportunity to get into the market there.
Yeah,
definitely.
And I think we've also got another apartment coming up that Leo's working on with you together in Ackland Street, another one that's just
on the corner of Roe.
Haven't got any photos yet, but that's a beauty.
Not many details on it,
yeah.
But obviously in a beautiful part of St Kilda and Ackland Street, and a ripper apartment, which I'm sure when it comes to the market will be well received.
This weekend we've got a couple of auctions that I think are worthy of discussion. One that you're involved with, and we haven't even talked about where we are. No. We've just got through who we are. That was enough of a job, wasn't it? But we are in Wilgar Street in the heart of East St Kilda, a beautiful tree-lined avenue. Tell us about the house you're auctioning this weekend.
That'll be 58 Wilgar Street, and Philip's going to run that auction for us at 10:30 on Sunday, on the 18th. And I think it's a ripper opportunity for a first home buyer in the area, because look, we're quoting 1-to-1-1. It's a tremendous parcel of land.
Freestanding house?
Freestanding. Yeah. It's got a 60-foot frontage. It's sensational, but has the opportunity for somebody to add their personal touch and really bring it to life.
Great. Well, that sounds like a pretty good entry price almost, isn't it? To get into a reasonable freestanding home. Another auction that is also being run through the St Kilda area and office is the property that is in Dickens Street.
Yes, Unit 1, number 7.
Yeah.
Beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. Again, great for investors, great for first home buyers. Going up on Sunday at 11:30.
Yep.
So
I think Philip also got the gig there.
I don't know what's going on with that.
Write him down, can we? He just keeps
Thankfully, we didn't have him here today.
Exactly, we kept him away. At least he can be quiet for once, but not for long. Anyway, no doubt another offering for you to consider. One of the great things I think about the way our business works, and I'm not trying to get too much of a boasty or salesman here, but we sell properties all over the place, don't we? So the reality is we don't have territories. We're very different and distinct to an actual traditional franchise model that has territories. And I know that you're handling a property that's an interesting one in Carnegie. Is it Moody's?
Well, it's actually Moody Street.
Sorry, it's in Caulfield East.
Yes.
I beg your pardon.
It is. 27
There you go.
Moody
I've got to get out more.
Yeah.
Caulfield East, just near the racecourse, before you get to Carnegie, but after Caulfield Central. Yes. Tell us about the property, Lamore.
That is a magnificent Art Deco home.
Yep.
And I'm handling that with Leo Samuel.
Yep.
And
Some good teamwork there.
oh, yeah,
Caulfield and St Kilda officers working together.
Combined.
yes,
harmoniously.
Very
Oh,
very
we all
harmoniously.
said that together.
Yep.
That was in harmony too.
Yeah, scary it was.
It's a 3-bedroom home,
Yeah.
and everyone who's walked through, and we have been inundated with inquiries, and a lot of groups have inspected, and there's quite a bit of interest, and rightfully so. Credit to the vendors.
Yeah, it's a very, very attractive home. It's got a beautiful facade,
Beautiful.
and I know there's been a lot of interest, so we're looking
Yeah.
forward to that auction, and
Yeah.
I know that it'll be interesting to see what the outcome is. But again, last weekend, 8 out of 8 all sold, 100% success rate. So we are finding things good. How are you finding the inquiry in St Kilda?
Within St Kilda itself,
just through the
look,
office
everything's
and- yeah.
picked up. Everything's picked up. It's not like it was last year, thank God. And it's all encouraging signs.
Very solid. Tell us a bit about the property that we're in right now, Jeremy, because I think you're familiar with that.
I would love
Viewers
to,
might
Gareth.
like to know where we are and what this is all about.
We are back in that beautiful street we love very much, at number 45 Woolgar Street.
Yep.
And we've got the most sensationally, beautifully decorated 2-bedroom apartment here, a block that if you drive past you will instantly fall in love with. Beautiful Art Deco facade, small block. This is on the first floor, polished timber floors, all the period features you'd want in an apartment, and beautifully priced, 5 to 550, starting I believe this weekend or the next, and going to auction early September. Come on down, we'd love to see you coming through the home because it's an absolute sensational
And
apartment.
it sounds like it's in that affordable price bracket
We
as well.
think so.
So a couple of opportunities in Woolgar Street. Phones are ringing in St Kilda. The clearance rates are right up there in terms of the best that they could or have ever been, I guess. You can't get better than 100%. And we're now starting to get out of that winter slumber towards spring. What can
I
we
think our
expect
spring's looking
in
pretty
spring?
good, Gary.
Yeah, yeah.
Certainly on the phone front, it's ringing a lot more in the
Yep.
St Kilda office. I think the winter blues are behind us, and everybody's looking forward to a very warm and hot summer and springtime. And I think in terms of stock levels, they should definitely be on the rise, and we're looking forward to it.
Well, it's been a wonderful opportunity to speak to both of you, and we haven't heard about any cafes this time because Philip's not here, so that's also good. But if you buy something in St Kilda around about now, maybe in the next few months, you'll settle at the end of the year, and you'll be able to enjoy your Christmas, your end of year period in St Kilda on the beach, and then of course 2014 will open up with the St Kilda Festival, and that's always a big event as well, isn't it? So it's all happening. So that's it for the St Kilda and Bayside Report. It's been lovely to have you on here, Lamore.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Gary.
Thank you for sharing your greatness with us in terms of being a salesperson of the month. It is a very competitive title, that one, because there's a lot of very, very successful operators within our organisation.
Can I just say, Gary, for the viewers out there, we have an awards night once a month.
We do.
And we hand out 3 awards.
We do.
I won't go into great detail what the awards are
you
for, but
won't.
they're all real estate based.
They are.
And the month that Limor won it, I'm pleased to say that the St Kilda office cleaned up
Clean
at that
sweep.
award night
Yes.
and took the lot.
And yet the St Kilda office is probably a quarter of the size of the entire organisation. But
Might want to have a long, hard look at yourself and your team.
We are,
Because
yes,
we're on fire, and may it continue.
Well, for buyers and sellers alike, come and see the team down at 55 Inkerman Street. They'll be looking forward to looking after you. You've got something else?
I
to
do.
say?
I do, just because we went to school together. But
Yeah.
besides that, I was
Don't
just
talk
thinking.
about how bad
reminisce,
I don't.
take it home.
No, I won't.
Don't
I
talk
won't.
about
I
how
won't do
bad a
that.
student I was.
I just want to show how I was paying attention. You touched on the fact that we're not a franchise and that we get to no boundaries.
That's right. Yeah, because you're selling stuff all over the place.
Well,
I know. Yeah.
I'm going to keep it clean. But one at 9 Olinda Avenue in Beaumaris.
Yes.
That's an upcoming.
Yes, that is a
sale.
Bayside address.
That's
a very
Bayside,
good one.
we can stick
Have
with
we
that.
even got the photos for that yet? or no?
We're getting them done next
Wow.
week.
Well, there's
so
a
that's-
little exclusive.
Maybe we can
first.
talk about it in the next month's edition.
Yeah.
I think we can and we should.
We might even be able to film from there, who knows?
Who knows? The mind boggles at the possibilities that exist in the St Kilda and Bayside Report of Gary Peer and Associates. It's been lovely to have you on. Thanks for reminding us about that. A good message. Congratulations again. Jeremy, we look forward to seeing you next time time. Thanks for
As
coming
do
on
I.
board, Lamore. I'm Gary Peer. We'll see you next time, St Kilda and Bayside Report.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.